Hi, welcome guys. All right, so I'm going to show you really quickly how you can sign up on storyboardthat.com and how you can download and save your comic so that you can upload it onto our Google Classroom. I have already saw some of your comics, and I want to say I'm really impressed. A lot of you guys have taken a look at the story elements and also the elements that belong in a myth and in a legend. And I also really like that a lot of you guys are referring back to old myths and legends from the Native Americans and taking elements from that and incorporating into your own story. So I created my comic strip. I just wanted to show you. And this is just my interpretation of Rainbow Crow. In the first scene, we have the animals and how they were dealing with winter, and how Rainbow Crow finally went and spoke to the creator and got fire, and then brought fire back to the earth. So now I'm going to show you how I can save. Before I save, I need to log in. And really, all you have to do is first click on this box here. I have read and understood the terms and conditions and privacy policies. Then I want you to click on Google. And all you're going to do is just click on your K-Tin School email. And that's it. You're logged in. Now, this is the basic package, and it's free. I don't want you guys to buy the premium package for storyboard. Using the basic one is fine. So you can save it, and then you're going to write your title here. You can write a description if you want to, and save the storyboard. We're not going to buy anything. So when you go down, all you're going to do here is you're going to find where it says download, and you're going to download it. And you can either download it as an image pack or a PDF. Alright, I'm going to download it as a PDF. And there we go. So now that you have downloaded your PDF, you can actually now upload it onto our classroom. And now I'm going to show you. So when you download Rainbow Crow, it should be under your downloads in your computer. But I'm going to show you how you can upload it onto our Google Classroom. So I signed in as Olivia, and I'm going to go to classwork. I'm going to go down all the way to social studies. I'm going to click on the assignment, view assignment, and here you're going to add or create. You're actually going to click on file and then select files from your device. And on this side, you should click on downloads, because that's where you save your comic strip. And it should be the first thing that you see, because that was the last thing that you downloaded from your computer. So all I'm going to do is open up this file and then click on upload. And there you have it. Now you uploaded your comic strip, and I'm going to turn in, and then your teacher is going to turn in, and then your teacher is going to be able to see your comic strip. And that's it. That's how you can download your comic strip from Storyboard That, and how you can upload it onto our classroom. Have fun, guys!